You can push me. You need to push me.
Okay. Let's go.
I should press this way. Yeah. Why is it not moving?
When you push a leg,
okay.
then when
So,
it starts moving,
okay.
the numbers, then you push.
Okay.
Yeah. When you start, yeah, then you have now.
Voila. Yeah, good. Push it.
Wait, you mean push this side? Oh, okay. I'm not giving up. Esther. I'm not giving up. Okay. Okay, when the number starts to go, I push this thing. Okay.
Look, so put your leg like with space where the other one can actually fit. You've seen it?
Mm-hmm.
You get.
What kind of exercise is this?
Put your thumb there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're trying. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, not bad actually.
Yeah.
You need this try. Yeah.
Mm.
Boy. Yeah, push the button.
But it's not going.
No, like you know. Sasha, look at the numbers as well.
I'm not looking at all. Look there, look there.
Let me help you. I don't know how to teach people.
I'll break you. I'll break your scooter.
No, it's okay.
Okay. One last time. And then I'm done.
But you're trying. Like,
Okay.
this is better than what
Okay.
you're doing.
Okay, so push.
Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
I'm done. I'm done. I can't do no more. I'm done. It's not easy. Esther, you try.